Remote work has become a necessity for many of us, but finding the right remote desktop software can be challenging. That's why you should choose Splashtop, the best alternative to TeamViewer. With Splashtop, you can save 50% or more compared to TeamViewer's pricing. Splashtop offers top-of-the-line features like high-quality remote connections, drag-and-drop file transfer, chat, and more. Whether you need remote access for remote work, remote lab access, or remote support, Splashtop has a solution for you. With industry-leading security features and compliance with industry regulations, you can trust Splashtop to keep your data safe. Splashtop offers a better customer service experience with teams located all around the world and hassle-free subscription management. So why pay more for less? Try Splashtop today and experience the difference. Splashtop, the better alternative to TeamViewer. Try Splashtop for free.